Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make easy and simple tropical fruit salad. This fruit salad is so healthy and tasty. It can serve as side dish, appetizer. Stay tuned and find out how I make this tropical fruit salad. I'll be using the following fruits. Feel free to use any fruit of your choice. I'll start by peeling the kiwi. When I'm done peeling the kiwi, I'll be cutting the kiwi into bite size. After cutting the kiwi, I'll be cutting the strawberry. I'll be using mango for this fruit salad, so I'll cut the mango into chunks. I'll be using lemon for this fruit salad, so I'll cut the lemon and squeeze to get out the juice. If you don't like lemon, you can also use orange. Using lemon or any citric fruit will help to prevent discoloration of the fruit. I've already washed my pineapple, so I'll peel the skin of the pineapple. When I'm done peeling the skin of the pineapple, I'll cut the pineapple into chunks. For this fruit salad, please don't include the pineapple core. Place all the fruits into the bowl. Add some of the lemon juice on the fruit salad and mix to combine. To enhance the taste and flavor of this fruit salad, I'll be adding fresh coconut. Salad is ready. I will cover and keep in the refrigerator until ready to serve. I'll be showing you another method on how to enjoy your fruit salad. This fruit salad, I'll be using a tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Add the fruit salad, toss gently to combine. Finally, the fruit salad is ready. This additional dressing takes this fruit salad to a whole new level. I hope that you try this, and thank you all for watching.